If you want to get the best performance out of your waterproof gear, you need to be careful in the way that you use and care for it. Here are 5 simple tips that can help extend the life and effectiveness of your waterproof layers. When you're on the go, you usually don't get a chance to let your waterproof gear dry out before it gets stashed inside a bag. So at the end of a ride day, make sure to take any wet layers out of the bag to give them a chance to air dry. While your waterproof layers can withstand the rigors of summer heat, do not expose them to fire or extreme heat when trying to dry them out. This can damage materials and coatings. To clean waterproof layers, wipe down with a damp cloth or use a soft bristled brush. If required, you can rinse them out in cold or room temperature water. Do not use chemicals like strong detergents or fabric softeners, as they can damage the coating on these layers. Any sort of puncture or tear on any part of a waterproof layer can significantly affect its performance. While using or storing your waterproof layers, ensure that they are not in direct contact with sharp objects or highly abrasive surfaces. Before putting your waterproof gear into storage, make sure that it is completely dry. Do not use a completely sealed packet or containers for storage, as this can lead to mold or odor buildup. Placing silica gel sachets within the gear before you put it away can help with additional moisture absorption.